Good morning students, how are you all? I hope that you all are safe and fine at your home. So today we are going to learn about standard 6 subject English letter writing. Maybe you have learned previous of this lesson some poems, and according to this today we are going to learn about different letter writing, story writing, how the writing section is going on, because on the writing section you are getting more marks. Till the time you have learned how to write essays, and that question was coming for 5 marks. So same here, you are going to see that actually if we are observing this writing section, you will come to know one thing, that for letter writing it is getting 5 marks. How many marks for this? 5 marks. So it is required to see and understand how to write the letter writing. If you once understand the format of letter writing, so easily it will possible that you can achieve this 5 marks. So now here first we are going to see which type of letters are there. See, there are two letters, means two types of letters. In that we are going to see, today we are going to see that is informal letter. But for letter writing, two parts are there. One is formal letter and second is informal letter. Now formal letter is having another name, that is called as an official letter, and informal letter is only informal letter. Now how you will remember what is informal and what is formal? See, formality we are mostly doing with our class teachers, principals, then official letters. Whenever we want to write, our whole data should be neat and clean. So that is called related to office. Whichever letters we are writing, it is called as a official letter and formal letter. And here today we are going to learn that is informal letter. Now in informal letter, to whom you are writing the letters? For example, you can write in this your father, mother, sister, your friend, your cousins, your uncles. In this way you can write anyone related to your family members. That letters are called as a informal letter. So today we are going to learn what? Informal letter. Informal letter. Now, here I have given one example of letter writing. So, you will understand, till the time you was writing your address, might be 6th standard students, some might be you are familiar with letter writing, or might be some students will not familiar with letter writing. So, let me explain these things, that previously we were writing this address on the right hand side, but this year onwards you have to remember one thing, that instead of writing this address on right hand side, you have to write your address on left hand side. And whatever the matters you were writing on the left side of in your notebook, so that you have to write in right hand side. For example, here you can see that here address, here your loving friend, that whole matter you have to write on the, instead of left hand, right hand, you have to write on the left hand side. So today we are going to see our letter writing, and that is informal letter. Now what is the question? On which question we are going to write this letter? Then we are going to read the question. See, write a letter to your friend explaining why you will not be able to attend his or her birthday party. Now question is what? You have to write one letter to your friend, that why, maybe her or his, why you are not able to attend that birthday party. Now this question, maybe many times it's happened. Though you are loving to your friends, but due to some reason, sudden reason, it is not possible to you to go and meet to your friends or attend your friend's birthday party. That time this letter is useful to you. Only the reason will change, but whole matter is as it is related birthday party. Now maybe some will write the reason that I was not feeling well, so that it was not possible me to come to your attend your birthday party. Maybe someone will say there was my unit test or exam, so it was not possible to attend with this birthday party. But here I have taken this letter. It is related that now pandemic COVID-19 situation is going on, and because of this situation it is not possible that we are locked in our own houses. So in this situation it is not possible to attend anyone's our friend's birthday party. So for that purpose I took here the reason that due to lockdown it is not possible to me to attend your birthday party. So let's start with our letter writing. Now, question you understand. Firstly, you have to understand to whom we are writing this letter. Now, in this letter, to whom we are writing letter? Write a letter to your friend. So, whom we are writing letter? Friend. And why? See, what is the reason to write a letter? The reason behind that is to attend his or his, means we are not able to attend his birthday party. That is the reason. On that basis, you have to write your letter. Now, first thing is that here you can observe here is an address. Now, previous we were writing right side that address, but now you are writing this address in which side? Left side. Remember always, whatever address you have to write in your left side of your notebook. That is here. Near the margin, first you have to write your name and surname name. Here your address, that is I have given for example here A/7 Gauri apartment, Main Street. You have to write here your street names, MG Road, AB Road, or wherever you are staying. Then the city where you are staying. For example, I have put here Diba. So you can write Mumbai, Pune, wherever you are staying. And the date, which date you are writing that letter, that same date you should mention here. I have mentioned here today's date, that is 11th July 2020. Then after, this is your address format. Then after, you have to write your friend name, maybe girls or maybe boys. Before that, you have to mention dear word. What is the dear? Dear means those who we are loving most. Okay, so it is a dear. Now, dear, this word is having two homograph. Homograph means two different meaning. If spelling change, meaning will change. So you have to remember D-E-E-R, that is one type of animal, deer. And D-E-A-R, that is deer, which we want to use in this letter. So D-E-A-R we require here. Dear, your friend name. Then after you will start your letter writing. Sometimes it is possible that you have to ask, how are you, Sarika? I hope that you are safe and fine at home. First sentence should come, means whenever you are meeting, you should use like this. Good morning, Sarika. How are you? What is going on at your home? This is the prior conversation in between you and your friend. And then after you have to start your writing letter. I am sorry that I shall not be able to come for your birthday party. What do you have to mention first? That I am sorry that it was not possible to me. I shall not be able to come. His birthday is next. So previously only you are writing letter that I shall be not able to come to your birthday party. Now it is not possible to me to come on your birthday party. Why? Because as you know, lockdown is started. Why? What is the reason? Because already lockdown situation is going on, and because of that it is not possible. It will be not possible to me to attend your birthday party. Due to this reason, it is not possible me to come on your birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday. Now, then after you have to wish to your friend that I wish you a very happy birthday. Mommy, daddy and Sanju also wish you. Then after you have to inform that your mother, father and your brother or sister, whomever is there in your family, they are also wishing you. Then you have to prepare second para. You can start again with the margin or you can leave And you can start second para. You must be planning for a party. Might be it is not possible to give in these days grand party, but might be you are giving a small party in your own house. I shall be thinking of you all the time. Means I eagerly want to come at your birthday party, but due to this reason, it is not possible me to attend your birthday party. So I am always thinking for you all the time. Jijuji will be coming to your part of city day after tomorrow. My Jijuji is going to come. My one family member is going to come day after tomorrow in your city. I have sent with him a birthday gift. I have sent with him a beautiful birthday gift for you. I hope you will like it. I hope that you will definitely like that birthday gift. Give my regards to all. Give my regards to all. And then after what? You have to write your loving friend. Remember, whenever you want to write informal letter, your loving will come. If you want to write your father, your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving cousin, like this it will come. Loving, your loving, whomever you are writing letters, that you have to write and your sign should be there. So in this way, you have to remember it is very easy. Try to understand the letter format. Once you understand how to write letter, 5 marks are there in your hand. Because it is too easy. Whole idea, whole structure is same. Only you have to change little wording. Or otherwise, if you will observe in informal letter, other whole structure is same. You have to remember what after what is coming and what you have to write. Mostly in this informal letter, everything. How are you? I hope you all safe and fine at home. Give my regards to your parents. This almost some sentences are same for all informal letter. So other than that, you have to think on which basis, on which reason you have to write letter, and you have to consider that. So if you will write in this way letter, it is possible that at least from 5 out of 4 marks or 5 out of 5 marks you will get. So try to understand the letter. Remember how you have to write neat and cleanly, and your 5 marks are in your hand. So I hope you understand how to write letter writing. Before starting this year only, you should understand because it is useful from now onwards to you till 10th standard, or in 12th, 11th also it is useful to you. So try to remember letter writing. Not only for that, but in your day-to-day life also, whenever you want to write a letter, you should remember this format. So I hope you understand all the format. I will give one questions in the homework to solve as activity, so you have to solve that. Read it properly. Try to understand. First try to understand to whom you have to write letter, for which reason you have to write the letter, and then you can continue these things. So I hope you understand whole this letter writing part, and we are going to see in the next part, that is formal letter, that is official letter. So stay safe, stay home, take proper precautions of yourself and your small brothers, and listen to your parents. Drink hot water twice or thrice in a day. Take proper precautions and listen to your parents. Thank you.